Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Master Edition. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. Firstly, let's open camera, and as you can see right here, we've got typical photo mode, where we can zoom in 20 times and zoom out 0.6 times. Then we can adjust brightness level and enable retouching mode. Then we can go to HDR and enable it or set it automatic. We can enable or disable AI enhancement and filters. Let's go to video mode, which is pretty similar to photo mode, because also we can zoom in, but this time 10 times. Zoom out 0.6 times. We can turn on ultra steady mode, AI highlight, and bokeh. Also we can turn on some filters. And the last thing is flashlight, which we can set to full fill light or off or automatic. Next we've got night mode with pro settings. In here we can change aspect ratio, we can add filters, set timer, then we've got portrait mode, also with bokeh, filters, timer, but without zoom. Next we've got 64 megapixels with flashlight, AI, timer, and manually adjustable brightness. In more we've got stereo mode, dual view mode, slow motion, time lapse, movie mode, also with professional settings, text scanner, Pro mode, panorama, ultra macro, and street. Now let's go to settings. In settings you can add watermark, change volume button action, enable or disable shutter sound, location, change composition, enable or disable flip selfie, quick launch gestures, and quick share and edit. We can enable or disable touch to capture, show palm, portrait distortion correction, AI ultra clear mode, and change video encoding. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.